Everything's done. No, I'm not done yet, but like my recording just stopped, but I didn't do much in that time. 40, that should be enough to buy all the walls up here.
Make the last one part 2.
Wait.
Make the last one part 2.
Is it done? I said wait.
The first one you did, make it, call it making nature base. I'm literally recording right now.
Okay, so yeah.
Part 1. And call this part 2. Okay? Good idea, right?
Okay, so, oh yeah, wind. I'm gonna team up with the wind. Wind and nature.
Yes, they make a beautiful impact with each other. Hey,
Let's see. Lol.
Tell him.
If I wanted, I could one-shot you, bozo.
Nothing can stop nature from attacking wind.
Oh my god.
Wind.
Oh wow, now ice is stealing. Trust me, ice ain't going to get away with this. Yeah. Dead. Stupid. Don't steal. What the heck?
Bro, there's a void.
What the? Oh my god.
Don't put this in your inventory.
I don't like that.
Then nothing will be in order.
How?
You don't look good with the nature.
Still. Okay, let me buy
Looking
decor.
Nature looks kind of beautiful.
I'm gonna buy walls, which cost 30, 55, 105,000. It'll take quite a while. Iceman, you have some weapons, bozo. Yeah. Well.
Stop.
Fine, I'll stop too.
Stop.
I'm just gonna take this wind blade because everyone knows that it's really nice. Do you see a knockback on that thing? It's literally so easy to steal from anyone if you only know how. Wait, come in my base.
Well, you should have done that.
Wait, come in my base. Come in my base. And choose. Bro, how many people are in the server? 1, 2, bada bing, bada 3. You can come. Come. Bro, I said come. Okay, you know what? Nah. Bro, after he's trying to steal.
Bro, he can't. Now that you've had a 3rd floor. Flower katana.
Yeah. No. Don't steal from me.
You don't steal. You don't steal from the god of leaves.
Well.
Steal from the god of leaves.
Come. Wait.
I go and steal wind.
Wait, now ice is coming. Ice and wind are the best. Ice and nature.
What? How?
Good they are, bro. Don't question it.
Like,
okay, 55K.
Wind plus nature. Make sure that the leaves slap your face. But I don't get what could ice do with nature.
Now the roof will only cost 50.
Thousands?
Oh, light. You coming?
Oh no! Great Booger has come.
I'm literally allowing him to come. Bro, you should die.
She's not the one. She's not the one.
No, but she should die anyway.
Why not?
Come.
Why?
From here. Bro, this guy's really stupid. And he's out. Yeah. No, bro. Why are you killing me? Why are you killing me?
I let you in. Yeah.
Oh, that's stupid.
Take
Yeah.
that, you
Get
dumbass.
sucker.
Take that, you dumbass. Dumbass.
That's what you get for betraying me. Lol.
Betraying me, bruh. Betraying me, bruh. You look nothing beautiful when you
Bro, let it just load. Okay, I'm gonna steal Wind's Cloud when he comes. Okay.
when dead.
Come in my base. Rosie. What?
Sorry.
Yeah. She can get that if she wants.
How did she get that flower scythe? Oh no! She's trying to hurt her.
Bro.
Being a hurter.
People always be trying to kill me. They be betraying my trust. Even though I let them in my base. Wow.
Okay, you're just going slow now.
Don't you know that you get slower, bro? That's a good thing about the thing.
What?
You get slower with nature.
Bruh. Why is that good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, now I'm stealing from her.